Hello and welcome to Negative and Positive Integers with me, Shiv. So first I'm going to define negative and positive. Negative is a number below 0 and positive is a number above 0. In this case, the happy face is a positive and the sad face is a negative. It's negative. In this case, this is negative, and in this case, this is positive, the smiley face and the sad face. The first question we have here today is -2 plus -3. Since the answer is -5 because we're adding two negatives to make a greater negative. The two negatives are -2 and -3, which is like adding 2 and 3, but it's negative. The next question today that we have is -2 plus -6. So the first step of making integer counters is, so we have two negatives and 6 positives. So we put 2 negatives here and 6 positives here. So these two actually cancel each other out because the happy is telling the negative how nice it is to be happy, and the negative says that he doesn't want to be happy. So they all leave because they're trying to argue and figure out which one's better. And so they all leave. So now all we're left with here is 4 positives. So then we have +4. The next question is -4 plus -2. I mean minus -2. So we're going to take away. So subtract, there's another meaning of subtraction which could mean take away. So we're actually going to take away these two negatives. Then all we're left with is these two negatives, so the answer is -2. The next question is 2 minus -5. So what you're looking at right now is impossible because you can't take away -5 from +2. So we have to add 0 pairs. 0 pairs are things so let's say if I were to take these two and copy them, and then if we paste them, so we're adding 2 0 pairs, and then these two would cancel each other out. But in this case, we're actually going to add 5 0 pairs because there's 5 negatives. So we're going to have, so we just put 2, right? So we have to put 3 more. So then we just copied that, and now we will do this. So now we actually added 5 0 pairs. So now we're gonna, so 2 minus, which could be take away -5. So then we take away -5, and all we're left with is +7. Next question is 3 minus -2. So, 3 times -2. So basically all we're doing is it's 3 rows, right here, 3 rows of -2. So it would be like one row of -2, 2 rows of -2, and then 3 rows of -2. So that's all, and that's basically the answer. So the answer is -6. For this one, since a negative times a negative actually equals a positive, then it's 4 rows of positive 2. So it's one row of, sorry, one row of positive 2, 2 rows of positive 2, 3 rows of positive 2, and 4 rows of positive 2. So that's going to equal, so now what we're left with is actually 8 positives. So that is my integer counters, integer movie, negatives and positives with me, Shiv, and thanks for watching.